I'll be doing 50 push-ups on the spot. And if you can challenge me, let's go for the challenge. Okay.
Yakubu, manage!
Yes, sir.
You will feel it like you want to die, but you will not die, exactly!
Yes, sir.
Right there already! Shout a boom! Boom!
And I make them proud because I come from nothing. The place there was no light, there was no water, nothing there. And I see myself in one of the big promotion in the way, Queensbury. Come on, bro, there is a God. So whatever results happen, I don't care. I don't care. I see myself like a winner, no matter what.
I want you to write this down. Write this down. I am so happy and grateful. Write it down. I am so happy and grateful that I am God's highest form of creation. There never has been and there never will be another person created that will equal me. I love my life. I'm in control of my life because I'm in control of me. I know that whatever happens outside of me has no bearing on who I am. Read that 100 times a day. Write it 100 times a day until you start to understand that what's going on outside got nothing to do with who you are. Nothing to do with who you are.